Hi guys, welcome back with another video, and today we are going to unbox this Boat Rockerz 261. This is a neck band actually, and we got this in 1200 rupees. We'll talk about that later, but let's just do the unboxing first. So we have this beautiful pouch right there, and let's see what we have in the box. This is buds, and this is some, I think this is warranty card. There is some paperwork. This is beautiful jackling right there. And this is also a paperwork, I think, boat sunburn, and Karthik Aryan is over there, I think. Yes. So let's just keep these things aside and let's see what we have. So this pouch is so lightweight and so soft. Let's open this now. So the headphone is there finally, and there's this extra secret space, I think, where you can keep your secret things. The earbuds is so lightweight, and the wire quality is also good, but I think this design is not that good. The wire quality is also good, the quality of plastic is also good. There is this boat badging right there. Let me just adjust the focus. The boat is written there. Yeah, and this is it. The same design is on the other side, and there is two buttons for the volume up and down, and this is a charging connector where you can charge this earbud. The boat is written on the both sides. Comment down below guys what you think about this device. It will really help me to understand your reactions, and I'll take that as a feedback to improve my content quality and to deliver the best quality content. If you want to buy this device, there is a link in the description. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, share this video with your friends and family. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.